IKEA's products were often priced high, pretty expensive for Indian public. People were not able to afford these prices, and this was creating a big gap between the company and its consumer. Even when IKEA was providing more customized furniture, पर सीधी सी बात है, in India जो सस्ता है वही बिकता है. It became difficult for the brand to expand their business at those prices, making it difficult to reach the middle class audience. Number 2 was cultural difference. When IKEA wanted to bring the modern design with new DIY in India, Indians were totally unaware of it. The minimalistic design that were very famous in other countries were falling badly in the Indian market because the modern design didn't fit the Indian traditional taste. And now this became an obstacle to come through. Another challenge was local competition. IKEA entry in India gave an invitation to compete with many local brands like Godrej Interior, Pepperfry, and Urban Ladder. These brands already understood the local consumer and had an experience of more than 5 years in Indian market. With the high pricing and several cultural differences, it was tricky for IKEA to attract people towards them. Even not just only visiting the store, taking a selfie, but also buy the products. On this, CEO of IKEA India said, IKEA has to find the solution for this problem or there is no way to survive in the country like India. And that's when IKEA came up with several changes. They reduced the price of some selected product by 16 and 39%. It was possible by improving the design, packaging and product development. IKEA also focused on bringing Indian-friendly cooking products to make it ease with their consumers, like tawa, idli maker, and kadai, aligning with the local cooking. It also gained good reach and fame on social media through its online presence and quickie billboards. Even content creators promoted IKEA by creating emotional content like this video.
Are you ready to witness this?
Reshmati, our house help who has been creating content with me for a year. And with the help of content creation, recently she got her first house. To celebrate this and Diwali, IKEA and I have decided to surprise her by revamping her entire space. Mom is an interior designer. We wanted the theme to be minimalistic yet functional. No matter where you come from, what your situation has been, you can make all your...
The reel emotionally promoted IKEA by decorating the house and got over 11 million views. And this post from Indian YouTuber. Yesterday I went to IKEA Bangalore and spent over 80,000 rupees. So what's really dragging IKEA down? Why is IKEA in loss year by year?